Wala nasabi.
I swear I saw you in a past life, or maybe in a dream.
Antayin yun.
Hi guys, we're here at the airport na. It's already 5:43 p.m. Today, it's January 1, 2026. Happy New Year everyone! Today, we're going to Da Nang, Vietnam. Super early namin here at the airport kasi aga kaming umalis sa bahay. We expected na traffic but it's a no guys, hindi siya traffic talaga. So now, we're just waiting for our flight around 7:50 p.m. pa. Ready ahead ng mga 1 hour and 30 minutes. Siguro magpapapasok na sila ng mga 30 minutes before the flight. Just waiting here. Ayan, ang family.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I mess up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything.
Hi guys, so time check. It's already 8:40 p.m. and we are having a snack. I have pandi macaron, para siyang pandi coco. Have a drink na Sprite. Tonight, medyo lakas lang yung turbulence, kaya medyo nakakahilo, but tolerable. Still tolerable. How are you feeling? Nahihilo ka ba? Ha?
Yes.
Nahihilo siya guys. So, napaka-cup noodles siya. Masarap. Iba ba yung cup noodles sa plain? Iba yung cup noodles sa plain.
Pares lang.
Okay guys, kakain muna kami. Dahil hindi ko alam kung pag-land namin, medyo maulog. Hindi ko alam kung pag-land namin sa Da Nang, kung kakahanap pa kami ng any restaurants there. Kasi I think diretso na kami sa hotel. I don't know if meron pa bang open. Kasi ang arrival time namin is around 9:30ish or 10 o'clock p.m. Hindi ko alam kung may mga open pa that moment. So, let's see kung makakain pa tayo ng dinner or either way, magko-convenience store na lang kami. Pero for now, we are having a snack muna kasi ang hirap maggutom since susunduin na kami agad ng van transfer namin from airport to our hotel. So, let's see if makakapag-dinner pa tayo. Time check. Nuggets, so. Tikman na natin to. So, kakaiba siya. Garlic chili sauce.
Kunin ko na to. Ito. This one is sweet chili sauce.
Mami, tikman mo yung nuggets nila. Ito.
Masarap chicken natin.
Yun na. Napagkumpara na. Sandam is rice. And for this braised pork, para siyang adobo. And then, the fried eggs. And then, pork. We're going to the beach. Guys, ito lang yung beach namin, oh. Or yung hotel. There. Sali mo ko, ate. Bawal palang mabagal maglakad. Nabubusinahan. Hindi sila tumitigil.
Someday we'll be someone alive. Can't control the outcome of this fight. And it's all of me. Let me take it out of this. I fly high, and I won't smile.
Oh my gosh, super dami.
To live this life. And it's all of me. Let me take it out of this.
Hi guys, we're here at Coconut Forest something. Avail kami here ng ticket na lang. Around 160 dong per person. Here's the view. Ayan na mga view, may mga sumasayaw. Oh. Oh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ay! Hi. Mabuhay. Ay, ang cute nung may hat.
Lui đụng mày ba kiếm nhà mình nhiều lắm.
What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? Super dami ng ano. Per station sila, no? Again? Fishing?
Yeah.
Fishing. What fish? What kind of fish?
Crocodile.
Crocodile? Fishing.
Crocodile.
Oh, no fish, only crocodile?
Yeah.
Hi! Deserve nila ng 100 peso. 100 peso na ibigay mo. Grabe yung trabaho nila, ma.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Ay, swimming.
No, I don't like.
I don't know, solo.
On.
Vô không vô cái phở kia. Cannot.
Ay, cannot daw. Fuck. Ito yung amin, Tess. It's okay. Yeah, okay, sauce. Here's a Vietnamese fried spring roll. Vinegar. Ang sarap. Sarap nito. Pork belly. Sausaw. Yum. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Fried shrimp. I have watermelon shake. Walang lasa din. Healthy sila. Wala siyang any sugar syrup. All pure fruits. And coconut coffee. Thank you.
So let's go.
Go. Good. Ito muna. The Vio spices. What's the difference?
This is the Copilo 100% service chest stick and put it down.
Ah, high count. This size daw, 130. Pero nasa 291.
It's a bestseller. We sold egg coffee, coconut, and something. It's a bestseller.
Among bean cake. What's the best seller here?
It's a lotus here, coconut, and traditional.
130? 291.
Rose. What is that flower? Bibili ko ba? 5 na rin sa inyo. Kasi
5 na rin sa inyo. Yes. Uy, mami, don't, it's fragile. Thank you.
Mango ba? Bumit.
Wow, tanggap moments.
Okay, good. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
We're here at Big Buddha. Ay, super laki niya. Yung weather dito, guys, hindi siya mainit. Pero kapag nadampian ka ng araw, super init na niya. Super hangin, so hindi mo ma-feel na super init din. Asa na sila? Okay, guys, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay na kami ng pamilya ko. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan sila. Let's find them. Dapat pala gabi. Guys, dito yung Love Lock. Ayan, Sontra, Marina. Oo nga no, ba't ako bibili? Wala naman ako Love Lock. Wala, sino ila-Love Lock ko?
Self-love ka na lang.
Time check, it's already 2:48 and mainit na yung weather, guys. Dapat dito, ganyan yung schedule of the mass. Pero hindi naman siya maintindihan. Okay, ticket. It's the ticket rate. Don't touch the object. Sala, tinouch ko yung isa. Ito. Oh, Vietnam. Ta-da-da. other one. Oh, okay. Anak ko ba gusto mo yung square na lang? Sabi nga ni Carl, hindi daw bagay sa akin maliit. Pink na lang ako. I'll get this. Worth it. Do I have a new stock? New stock? Okay. Get it. I just bought.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got